Hi, Kyle. Hey guys. A short presentation for our booth from the Embedded World 2024 in Nuremberg.
Yeah.
So Tom, this is our product manager just flying over from China, directly from Nodka to Germany, Nuremberg, to help us here.
Yeah.
So Tom, what's new with the operation system?
Okay, this is the new generation of the unmounted motor. We have the mix button panels as option.
More
With the
flexible,
desk
right?
very-
Because it's
very
now two
flexible.
pieces, yeah? You
Yeah.
can take it off easily, right?
Very easy.
Yeah, that's good.
Can be customized. Yeah. And also,
Yeah, let's take a look on the panel PCs.
yeah, this is the panel PC. We have developed this kind of the motor and the panel PC as a modular design concept. And also we have integrated the UPS inside.
With the integrated UBS, oh, that's great.
Yeah, very good.
Yeah.
So, okay.
Okay, here we have our standard products panel PCs as we see in an e-box, right?
Yes. This
Very
is a
popular.
similar that. Okay.
Let's move over to our automation PCs and P series.
Yeah, this kind of the MP series product is designed for the automation controller. And now we have adapted the process to support the 10 and 11 generation of the desktop processors.
And still create benefit
Yeah,
with
yeah,
our
yeah.
modular system.
Yeah,
Compact, right?
we can support the real-time operating system very well. Yeah, and also besides, we have developed some new solutions for the automation with EasyCAD, with UPS, and so on.
Yeah. Don't forget our UPS, right?
Yeah, this is very important.
Important for the automation cabinet,
Of course.
right?
Yeah, yeah.
Here we come to E-Link, right?
Okay, E-Link is a new solution update this year. We have to make the transmitter and receiver as the dedicated models. So in this case, you can have full operations to use your E-Link solutions. Okay.
Okay,
And
let's
new-
move on. That's new as well, right?
Yeah, this is just
First
the
time we're gonna bring up our main boards.
Yeah, this is just the brain of the member.
Okay, yeah, just
Yeah.
a small piece of, you can do
Yeah,
much more, right?
Yeah, we have more configurations and different types of motherboard.
Customized based on your application, we can
Yeah.
set up new main boards, right?
Yes, yes. Of course, if some customers would like to use their own, would like to design their own products,
Yeah.
they can use com-like models. This is very flexible and powerful.
Yeah, as we use already for our MP series of panel PCs, right?
Yes, of course.
Yeah.
In this is very easily to design the carry board. Easy enough.
Okay,
Okay.
and here I see our industry boards,
Yes.
wide range, even on the start from the 6th generation up to 13th generation, right?
Yes, you have both from 6 to the 30 generation of the desktop processors. And also we have optimized the memory slots using circuit, which is very stable for the induction.
That's great.
Okay.
But guys, don't forget, this is just a small bunch of products we can provide you for your solutions. Okay,
Okay.
just if you have any questions, please get in contact. Thank you. Bye bye. Say
Bye-bye.